What is up, guys, and welcome to the weekend. Easter weekend vlog. We haven't done one of these vlogs in quite some time, so the kids want to do one for you. But don't worry if you're here for keto recipes. I've got plenty of keto food. I'll be sticking to the keto diet. It is Saturday, the night before Easter. We need to decorate some eggs. We're gonna make a steak dinner. And tomorrow we're doing a ham with a quick and easy keto-friendly ham recipe that I'm gonna show you guys.
Keto-friendly!
And we're just gonna have some fun this weekend, right? We're
Not
gonna wing it.
keto.
All right, first things first, we need to decorate some Easter eggs.
And I was on the chair with that.
You're gonna need this for the eggs. What are you doing, bud?
I'm dyeing eggs. Don't disturb me.
What are you barking at? What are you barking at, you vicious beast? You vicious beast! You vicious beast! What?
I've never touched an egg before.
And then dip it.
Put it in. And then just let it sit. That's cool. It's not red.
You gotta put more red drops in there to make it more red? Is that the plan, Stan?
Oh, it is strong.
Parker, what's with the headbands? Your new look? I like it. It's super stylish.
When I'm going outside, take this off, put it on my neck, and I put
Which
this.
color you want to choose? Blue?
Yeah, camel, so it blend.
You are a crazy kid.
So you can never find me.
Good job, Andrew.
Thank you.
He's still making Easter eggs.
Yep.
And
You're such a good boy.
Years old.
What?
I said I'm
And
1,000
he's
years old.
1,000 years old.
You are a crazy kid.
Good, I can do this.
I'm gonna do a half and half. That did nothing.
I just told you this.
No, that's a little bit. Let that
like-
dry and do the other.
It's a
just flip it
little
around.
bit.
Half.
Try the blue. What do you?
Here's the story on my egg.
All right, show me.
It's not dyed, it's perfectly fine, it's hard boiled.
What's on it?
Okay, so here's me and Mama jumping over a meteor that hits Chase, and there's a black hole under him, and that sprinkle dust that falls out of his hand that makes a meteor. It's a meteor that hits Earth, and then existence gets exploded, and then there's nothing left.
I lost your egg. Parker, your egg came out so lovely. Look at it.
Yeah.
It's egg salad.
Well, this is all that's left of existence now. That's all that's
Little
left.
sticker. What happened? You had a
Existence.
catastrophe. It blew up. Time to grill up some steaks. We got 2 juicy ribeye steaks and some filet mignon seasoned with sea salt and black pepper. That's all you need. Oh yeah, that crisscross action. Look at the creepy bunny my mom made. Good job, Nana. But how is Nana's cookies? Homemade chocolate chip. Oh, I'm so jealous. Not keto. What are you eating?
I ate the jelly bean off. It's yummy.
Alright guys, we are going to chill out and watch Godzilla vs. Kong, finish up our dinner, and then move on to Easter morning. So, with the power of video, here we go. Easter morning. Happy Easter. Oh my goodness, these kids have had us up since like 3 in the morning. They're anxious to come downstairs. So, let's get this over with.
Is it time? Yeah! Hello?
What time did you guys get up?
I woke up at 6. I'm kidding.
I think the first wake up was 3, and then there was a 4.
Then there was a 15. Then there was a
15?
5. There was a 5 for me.
Yeah. And you guys have been playing in your room since?
Well, I've been
Destroying
bored out
it?
of my mind.
Bored out of your mind?
What are you doing?
I know, baby. It's so early. It's so early in the morning. I know it.
Yeah, I don't want to get up.
Did you find the first egg? The boys aren't even down yet. Did you find the first egg? Come on down, boys. Come on down.
Oh, really? Wait. That was mine. That's mine.
With the red gun.
Oh, red gun. That one? Oh, Luigi got enough.
Easter Bunny knew what?
That all chewed up my hat.
So you got a new hat?
Yeah.
Oh, that's like your basket.
It's Donkey Kong and Luigi.
Your basket's a hat. That's cool. I didn't even notice that. Daddy pays so much attention.
And also, I have chalk.
Chalk? Sidewalk chalk?
Yeah, sidewalk chalk. Ooh,
That'll be
and
fun.
walk with it.
And some Kinder eggs. And some superheroes.
And then...
This is yours.
What did Andrew get? Underwear?
Parker, you're millions on Andrew's basket.
And look at Olive's basket. She got some chicken jerky. She got... Oh, let's give Olive her treat. Olive!
Crazy. Bunny. You're a little bunny.
Who got an Easter Bunny toy?
Three, 2, 1. Action! One. Two.
Andrew, you're gonna help?
Three. Over here. I want that one.
Which one?
Oh.
Oh, this one?
7, 8.
Oh, those are oranges. Clementines. You got all 10 already, Chase?
Yep.
Already?
I'm good at it.
Look up. There you go.
Parker, there's one over there. One up there.
The blind child.
Jace, I got 10.
1, 2, 3,
Oh, Olive found one. What are you doing?
I know an egg.
Hey,
Maybe there's a
hey, leave it.
It's the weirdest thing ever.
What are you doing, silly girl? What are you doing?
Oh, I
I think we can get that off your nose. Ah, much better.
found another. Daddy, I found another.
You find another?
A Kinder egg.
A Kinder egg?
A Kinder.
Olive, what's your Easter treat?
Well,
Easy. Sit.
maybe
Sit.
we
No,
count-
sit.
Maybe we counted
Sit.
wrong. Maybe you
Sit,
dropped
Pa.
8.
Good girl. Time to get the Easter ham in the oven. Simply spiral ham. A whole bottle of Diet Coke. 0 carbs, 0 calories. I'm gonna cook that 5-pound ham for an hour and 15 minutes, basting it every 30 minutes on 300 degrees. How's my ham?
I'm not having ham.
What? You don't have my ham?
Yeah.
What are you eating?
Turkey?
Turkey, mashed potatoes, and corn? Is it good? You want to try some ham?
Where's your husband?
What? Oh, hey, Mr. Cameraman.
Hello. Is it good?
It's very good.
Where are you?
Not too much Coca-Cola taste, just a little sweet. Not too bad. Very good. We got turkey, ham, coleslaw, and squash. You gonna try my ham?
I guess so.
Try it. Let's see. What do you think? All right, ham taste test. How did Daddy do on the ham? On a scale of 1 to 10, how good is the Coca-Cola ham? You're thinking about it. Not sure.
1.
A 1 out of 10. Are you pulling my leg?
I give it a 10. I'm kidding.
Oh yeah, a 1, and you're gobbling it down like a carnivore. A 10 out of 10? Yeah, dude. That's a big piece of ham there. Ham for the ham. Easter dinner's over? You out of here?
Yep.
Where you going? You going back home? All right, man. Drive safe. The end of Easter, and
Daddy, stop
you're an only what? You're an only child.
Welcome to another Easter vlog.
Dude, we're at the end of the Easter vlog,
Oh.
and both of your brothers are gone, so you're an only child tonight. We did not watch Kong versus Godzilla last night. We just ended up doing haircuts and whatever, watch videos, went to bed.
I need to take off my headband.
Right? That sweet little.
The camera might.
He did not let me cut the top. He wanted to just leave the top
So I can wear my headband.
so you can rock the headband, right? All right. Well, it's the end of the vlog. It's just me and you. We're gonna watch Godzilla versus Kong and end Easter off with a bang. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this very simple Easter vlog.
Subscribe, hit the bell button so you get a notification. The bell will ring every time we upload a new video. Hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button and the bell button. You can't forget that.
All right, guys. Always remember to rock and roll. Parker, we forgot Mommy's here too.
Oh no.
We forgot. It's not just me and you.
Oh no.
She's here too. Is she gonna watch the movie with us?
Oh no.
Do you know? Is she? No?
No.
She's shaking her head no. I think she wants to watch it with us. No? Yes? Say yes, Mommy! Say yes! Oh, Olive's in. You in? You wanna watch Godzilla? You wanna watch Godzilla? You wanna watch Godzilla and Kong? Huh?